All right, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking what is honestly a fascinating wealth-building opportunity in the booming home improvement sector. Now, if you're an aspiring franchise buyer, an investor, maybe a corporate professional looking to step into ownership, or even a multi-unit operator, you already know the drill. Finding a highly scalable business with a totally proven model, that is the ultimate goal. So let's just dive right in and see exactly why Cabinet IQ is rapidly becoming a standout choice in the kitchen and bath remodeling space.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll look at 1. The home remodeling boom. 2. Meet Cabinet IQ. 3. A smarter kitchen process. 4. The franchise business model. 5. By the numbers. And 6. Your next steps. Section 1. The home remodeling boom, capitalizing on a growing market. So let's look at the macro picture here. The sheer scale of this opportunity is absolutely staggering. You've probably seen it yourself. The demand for high-quality, reliable home upgrades, especially when we're talking about kitchens and bathrooms, is just surging right now. Homeowners are investing heavily, and what that means for you is massive growth potential, assuming you're a structured professional operator. The market is practically begging for reliability, and frankly, that's exactly where our focus is today. Section 2, Meet Cabinet IQ, a leading kitchen and bath franchise. To actually meet that massive market demand, you need a brand that really stands out. And the DNA of Cabinet IQ is all about elevation. The founding vision was literally to build a company around clarity, communication, and a process people can genuinely trust. It sounds simple, right? But in this industry, it is a total game changer. They are setting a completely new standard for total professionalism. And you know, trust is built through a genuinely seamless end-to-end experience. Cabinet IQ isn't just out there selling boxes. We're talking about everything from the initial design and sales all the way through to custom cabinetry and in-house countertop fabrication. The customer is guided by a single, cohesive team the entire time. No passing the buck. And that seamless experience, that's what drives their incredible customer satisfaction. Section 3, a smarter kitchen process, from overwhelming to effortless. This is where the magic really happens. The engine driving this whole business is their proprietary 4-step method: discover, design, deployment, and deliver. It is a highly structured framework, and by strictly adhering to this, franchisees can reliably, and I mean reliably, complete projects in an impressive 8 to 16-week window from the design walk to the final install. That kind of turnaround is huge. Of course, a great process requires a great product to back it up. Cabinet IQ delivers custom cabinetry specifically tailored to the home, and they use sustainably sourced materials. Plus, they offer premium stone, quartz, and solid surface countertops. You combine those premium outputs with completely transparent quoting and constant communication, you get stellar reviews, and more importantly for an operator, incredibly robust profit margins. Section 4, the franchise business model built for operational efficiency. Now let's look at this from your perspective as an investor. The sheer flexibility of this model is a massive asset. Whether you want to be a hands-on operator who's right there driving day-to-day sales, or you're looking to be a semi-absentee owner managing this as part of a much larger portfolio, it doesn't matter. The model is highly adaptable and it's built from the ground up to scale with you. And how do you scale? Well, it's made possible through remarkably low overhead requirements and this beautiful turnkey modern showroom design that instantly establishes premium brand authority in your market. Then on the back end, you're powered by their proprietary project management software, exclusive vendor relationships, and extensive training in both design and sales. Basically, you are fully supported right out of the gate. Section 5, by the numbers, transparent financials and requirements. For any serious investor, you know it all comes down to the numbers, and this brand is completely transparent. For a premium brand, this is a highly accessible entry point. The initial franchise fee is $49,500, and your total investment range lands between $184,100 and $321,100. To qualify, you're looking at a net worth requirement of $300,000 and liquid cash of $100,000. For the high-ticket revenue potential we're talking about here, those are incredibly competitive requirements. And the ongoing fees? Very lean. Royalties sit at a very fair 6% alongside just a 1% ad royalty. That lean fee structure isn't an accident. It is purposefully designed to keep way more revenue right there in your pocket, allowing you to reinvest and really maximize your wealth building.
Plus, securing your territory gives you some serious long-term stability. The franchise agreement comes with a 10-year renewable term. That gives you a full decade to just dominate your local market and build massive equity. Oh, and it's also worth noting there are exclusive discounts available for our veterans, which just goes to show the brand's solid commitment to supporting those who have served.
Section 6. Your next steps. Secure your territory. So we've covered the market, the model, and the math. If you recognize the power of stepping into a streamlined, high-ticket, low-overhead business in a booming sector, your next move is actually very clear. You're going to want to head directly over to nationalfranchiseassociation.com. Right there, you can register, explore this opportunity in much deeper detail, and consult with a franchise advisor who will help match your specific financial goals with prime market availability. I'll leave you with this final thought as we wrap up this explainer. You've seen the operational efficiency, you know the stunning margins of the kitchen and bath sector, and you've seen the robust support system they've put in place. So really, the only question left is, are you ready to create true wealth and transform the home improvement industry in your city? Head over to nationalfranchiseassociation.com right now to take that first step. Thanks for tuning in.